welcome to Amanda's house.
We baked a pie, let's take it out.
Wooly, wow, this pie looks great.
Let's sing a song to celebrate.
We learned it.
We learned it. The time just flew right by.
We learned to find a sharp knife and cut apples for a pie.
We learned sometimes it's best not to use sharp knives on your own.
We learned sometimes there is no other choice when you're alone.
We learned it.
We learned it.
But now it's time to go.
Come visit us for real next time.
Or maybe don't, you know? Wait, why are we cooking the pie again? I don't know what you're doing, but you'd better call it quits. The path that you're pursuing won't end well for pacifists. I only want to help you, and I'm doing what I can. But find more tapes and you'll create a sacrificial lamb. You found it? You found it. I thought I stopped your quest, but Amanda the adventurer just got a new house guest. You've opened up Pandora's box that's not easy to shut. So hurry up and write this down before our signals.
We learned it.
We learned it.
Do you really have to go?
I think it's best they leave us be.
Wooly, it's your birthday? Have this card. I didn't know.
You're back again? What's wrong with you? I had her all contained. It's not just curiosity that gets the kitten maimed. I'm running out of options, but I'll do the best I can. Please stop before someone winds up a sacrificial lamb.
I learned it. I learned it. I learned a lot today, like how silly daddy chickens let their chicks be led astray. I learned nobody comes to help the kitten when it weeps, and when all hope is lost, they're weak and speechless just like sheep. I learned it all real well, so won't you stay and learn with me in this degrading hell?
Oh, hello? Can you hear me? Please, listen to me. This is your last chance to leave. Whatever you do,
Will you help the lonely kitten? You've only got one shot. There's not much time. The meat is prime, but everything will rot. You learned it. I learned it. So this time, I'll help you.
The kitten caught another mouse it never wanted to. You learned it.
You learned it.
It's out of my control.
I guess there's gotta be worse places you could rest your soul.
You learned it.
You learned it. I've done all that I can, but you were always bound to be.
But you were always bound, like me.
So step into your destiny. Poor sacrificial lamb.